Hello everyone, my name is Larisa Macías. I am a research scholarship holder at Universidad Popular Autónoma del Estado de Puebla's Native Plant Research Center, and my project is called Staggered Flowering in Aztec Lily, Sprekelia formosissima, a Mexican plant with ornamental value. Besides of being part of the cover of one of the most iconic and important botanical books from Mexico, this red-bloomed Mexican native geophyte has got an interesting ornamental value. In order to keep going with the exposition of my project, I would briefly like to show you what a bulbous geophyte is. Due to isolation, I do not have access to a Sprekelia's bulb, but I will show you an Hymenocallis one, which is a genus from the same family as Sprekelia. Bulbs are modified stems that are meant to remain underground and stand cold or dry winters by dropping all of flowers and foliage during a period of time to stock some energy for the next year. Some of the genera categorized as bulbs are narcissus, like the ones I'm holding right now, tulips, and hyacinths. As part of the culture of bulbous plants, temperature conditions are usually forced to lengthen floral stems production and commercialization period. This study seeks to uphold that this technique can also be applied in Sprekelia formosissima. The hypothesis is that it is possible to extend the flowering period of Aztec lily by subjecting the bulbs to cold treatments. The general objective was to stagger Sprekelia's flowering by cooling bulbs and subsequently planting them outdoors in order to define a new flowering period. 5 treatments and 1 control with 15 repetitions each were established using reproductive bulbs grown at the research center at Atlisco, Puebla. The bulbs were subjected to a 6 °C temperature for 197, 204, 211, 218, and 225 days from February 2019. The control group did not undergo cooling and was kept at room temperature. They were then weighed with a digital scale and measured with a vernier to be established outdoors in bag nursery bags with a substrate that allows airflow as shown in the image. Different variables were recorded during flowering, and ANOVA was applied to the data obtained in the experiment. Next up, I will show you the results I got. The control group got the biggest amount of bulbs that did not reach flowering, while the ones who got from 2 to 3 flowers per bulb were treatments 1 to 3. The following are the results in terms of flower size. Some of the most desired characteristics in an ornamental plant are extended flowering periods and the production of larger flower yields. In bulbous species, the cooling of reserve organs has been proved to achieve that goal. In the case of Sprekelia formosissima, the response of the bulb subjected to low temperatures is evident. The flowering period can be staggered or extended. The best results in terms of size were obtained between 197 and 204 days. Flowering was obtained from October to December, being the month of November when there were more flowers between all of the treatments. In addition, another relevant outcome of this study was the increased amount of flower yields when the bulbs were subjected to low temperatures. To sum up, it is possible to stagger the flowering of Aztec lily by subjecting the bulbs to cold treatments for subsequent outdoors establishment in conditions of Atlisco, Puebla. That way, ornamental species producers will benefit and get opportunities to develop new techniques and better life quality. I express my sincere thanks to my university's research department, Master in Science Edith Salomé, Master in Science José Landa Verde, Bachelor Engineering Nicolás Álvarez Acevedo, and Tomás Herrera for the immense support I have received. Thanks for looking at my project. Bye.